Hello everyone, this is Siddharth, and in this video we will be solving another question from the list that I have shared in the starting of this playlist. So if you don't know what we are doing in this playlist, we are solving all those questions which are related to each other. The concept that we will be using in the previous video, that will going to be helping us in the upcoming questions as well, so that we can able to memorize all the standard processes and able to solve other question as well intuitively. So, and from this video as well, we will be like moving on to those questions where we will be using two pointer as well, but one of the pointer will going to be slow and another pointer will going to be fast. So uh, the first question of those questions will be this linked list cycle, where we have to detect whether there is a cycle present in the linked list or not. So let's see how we will be solving this, and I would suggest that you can pause the video for a second and try to solve it using two pointer, where one pointer will going to be slow and another pointer will going to be fast. So let's try to solve this. So let's take this linked list as an example, which is 3 2 0 and -4. So 3 is connected to 2, then 2 is connected to 0, and 0 is connected to -4, and the cycle is from -4 to 2. So this -4 is connected to this 2. Now we have to detect whether there is cycle in this linked list or not. So what we can do, we can make two pointer which will be pointing to the head of this linked list, that will going to be fast and slow. Now we will be moving slow one at a time, so, and fast two at a time. So for the first iteration, slow will be pointing to this and fast will be pointing to this node. So what will going to be happening in the us in the future, what will going to be happening, like this fast will cover up the distance, and it will meet this slow pointer, because this fast is obviously moving faster than this slow pointer. So if there is a cycle, so in the future they will going to be meet. So this is the condition that we have to use, and try to solve this question as well. So uh, let's try to solve this. So first, what we have to do, we have to make two pointers. So this will going to be list node slow, and it will be pointing to head. Now let's make another pointer as well, that will going to be fast, and it will be pointing to head as well. Now what we have to do, we have to check whether our fast pointer, we have to run this while loop, while this fast pointer will become fast dot next will become equals to null. Why we are doing this? Because as fast is moving faster than slow, then it there is can be an edge case where there is no cycle, and this node is pointing to the uh, null value. So that's where we have to stop this loop. So now what we have to do, just we have to check if the slow dot next is will become equals to null, then we have to return false. And for fast, and now we just have to move our slow pointer. So slow is equals to slow dot next. So this will move our slow pointer to the next node. Now we have to check for the fast one as well. So fast dot next, dot next, if that is equals to null as well, then we have to return false. And otherwise, let's move this fast pointer as well. So fast is equals to fast dot next. So this will be moving one step more than this slow pointer. Now what we have to check, if this slow pointer will become equals to this fast pointer, then we have detect a cycle, then we can return true. And otherwise, in the last, we just have to return false. Okay, so first, what we can do, we can also do this, like if slow is pointing to null, then we can return false, and we are doing slow is equal to slow dot next, and then we are moving this fast pointer to the uh, two nodes. We are jumping from two nodes, and then we are checking if these two pointer are pointing to the same node, then we have detect the cycle and we are returning true. So now we can run this question. Okay, now let's try to submit this as well. So there is an issue. Let me check. Okay, guys. So the issue is this should not be next because we just have to run this loop until and unless our fast will be pointing to null. Otherwise, we will not able to check for the last element. So now let's try to submit this. Okay, so we have successfully solved this question. See you in the next video. Bye.